Hey guys, welcome to the channel. As you can see, our surroundings are a little bit different than they normally are, and I'm happy to say we made it safely down to South Florida. And it's a little breezy and a little cool, but it's still South Florida. The water is clear and we have palm trees in the background. This week's video is going to talk about dog safety. So Sam recently acquired a new life jacket. Emily is going to do some unboxing with regard to the life jackets for Sam and Luna, and kind of how she puts them on, as well as some safety gear for the back seat when dogs are traveling. So more to come this week while we're here in Florida. Hope you enjoy the video. And Sam likes his life jacket. So
hi, good evening. We're here tonight. Our past few videos have been Dan doing technical products and showing everything of the boat renovations that we're doing. So tonight we're doing something a little more lighthearted, a little more fun. So Ava and I are here to talk about our three dogs. We've shown a lot of pictures of them on Instagram. We have a Labradoodle and a Sheltie, and then just a shelter dog. And so we want to make sure that our dogs are safe when they go to the beach and they're out on the boat. So we wanted to order them some safety vests. So we have that here tonight, and we're going to unbox them and show them to you all. So we'll just open this up. We ordered the dog's favorite colors.
I think Luna's favorite color is pink.
Is it? Yeah, Luna's favorite color is blue. So this one is blue. So this is Luna's life jacket. So Luna is about 35 pounds, and so here's the life jacket. We wanted to get something that would be light, so this is very thin, but it's also neoprene, and then it has the two floating devices up at top. So she doesn't really pay attention when she's on the dock or on the boat, so we've experienced her. She'll just kind of be goofing off and fall in, so we want to make sure that she's extra safe. So we'll just show this and we'll try it on her here in a minute. And what color did we get, Sam? Did we
Red.
And we thought Sam would like red. And we say Sam and Luna because we actually didn't get Isabel a life jacket. She's more of a mountain dog, so she won't be out on the boat with us. She doesn't really prefer the water. So Sam likes to be the captain of the boat, so he has a red life jacket. Again, this is Vivaglory is the brand that we chose. It got really great reviews on Amazon. So, and we got him a size large, so same great thin neoprene, very lightweight. So it just simple clips and then Velcros. So really easy. It doesn't take up much room to store them, and they'll fit well. And then we also wanted to make sure when the dogs travel in the car that they're safe. So instead of just the doggy seat belt, we got more like a hammock for the back seat. So it folds out. Again, it acts as a seat cover protector, and then the dogs also stay safe because this is a hammock piece that goes across the back seat, and so they can just kind of hang out in the back and they'll be safe to travel as we get to the boat and get to the beach. Okay, so next we'll actually do a try on with the dogs and show you all how these fit. Okay. So first up, we have Luna. She is our 35-pound Sheltie. And Luna, she loves to be near the water and around the water, but a couple of times she's been goofing off at the dock. She doesn't pay attention and she falls in. And she also likes to be a little lifeguard and jump in after her people. And so we definitely wanted to make sure that we got a life jacket that was easy to use and comfortable for her. So these life jackets, Ava is demonstrating just how easy they are to put on and how comfortable they are for the dogs. So the straps, they're completely adjustable to be able to fit. She's 35 pounds, so we got her the medium. And then underneath, Ava's doing the underbelly, which, you know, it's really nice and it just kind of acts like a big bandage underneath, but keeps the straps from rubbing on their skin. And then there's 2 additional straps that just clip in. What do you think, girl? Is that comfortable? So these are Vivaglory. Again, this is one of Luna's favorite colors, so we know that she really likes it. And you can tell she's she's smiling and she's ready to go to the beach. Okay. Come here, Sammy. Okay. Oh, next up we have our big baby. Sam's the biggest of the babies, and he loves to be out on the boat. And he knows how to swim really well. He's not like Luna, who just kind of sinks like a rock. Sam loves to swim. He loves to be in the water. But we just want to make sure that he's extra safe. If he gets really excited when he sees dolphins, and we're always a little bit worried that maybe he'll accidentally fall in or he'll jump after a pelican. So we wanted to get him something. So again, we got him the large. Kind of works the same way. Of the front clip. Able to clip it right in, and then again, switch. Come here, bud. These straps, they cinch, they're adjustable, so you can adjust them super easy. And then again, you have like the little bandage thing piece that velcros together. And I think that really helps. Sometimes with other harnesses, the material kind of rubs on them, and so by having that Velcro underbelly really stops that from happening. We have this one. Sam will let you do anything as long as he knows he gets to go out on the boat. Right, bud? Okay, there we go. And of course, bigger dog, bigger grip handle. And there we go. What do you think? You ready to go on the boat? Yeah? Okay, we'll take you. Okay, and there we go. That is the try-on of our dog life jackets. Their favorite color, super comfortable, lightweight. And then we'll also be showing you the dog hammock for how they travel safely in the car. Safe you are. Are you so safe?
If you like this video or like the content we were providing, or you just want to say hi to Sam, Please like and subscribe. Share this with your friends. We appreciate any comments you might have, so enjoy the video. Thanks.